Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Twin Flame Ascension Take Me Home Oracle deck. This is by Dr. Harmony with art by Tatiana Hassan. And this retails for $22.95, published by US Game Systems. And thank you so much, US Game Systems, for sending this deck our way so we can get an in-depth look at it. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And while you're there, take a look at my link tree where I have all my social medias as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, let's get into it. So it says Twin Flame Ascension is a self-actualizing process that begins when your inner soul self becomes activated through a spiritual awakening. Working with the Twin Flame Ascension Oracle prepares you to connect with your twin flame and align with your life purpose. This Take Me Home Pathway course consists of 11 steps in the Twin Flame Ascension journey. The imagery and energy of the deck guides you through the rebirthing process that allows a shift in perception, new insight, and more fulfillment in all areas of life. It includes 55 cards and a 108-page guidebook and custom spreadsheet. All right. So this is the custom spreadsheet. Let's take a quick peek, shall we? Oh, wow. Yeah, so there's 11 spots there. And then it is all about finding your true love there. So it says, depending on your personal situation, each card reveals if the task is already accomplished, the past, if you are working to accomplish it, the present, or if it needs to be accomplished, the future. And then all of this steps are down at the bottom. Wow. Okay, so this is a process. And I am not your guide on anything Twin Flame. I have no idea. I know kind of about it and what it means, but I have never really dived into that. So this shall be interesting. We will learn together. All right, so here's the table of contents, objective of the deck, about how to use, and then we have some spreads. And then it looks like they're divided up into suits. So Suit 1 is a powerful life lessons that will expedite your process. Suit 2 is steps in the process. Suit 3 is principles to come into alignment with yourself. Suit 4 is courtships that will facilitate your soul's expansion. Suit 5, activation codes that will accelerate your ascension. Okay, so there's a lot here. A lot to take in, first of all. So the objective, okay, let's see. The lessons include completing soul contracts with others who become your teachers. They create challenging relationships and mirrored reflections that enable you to see your true self. Your twin flame is your greatest teacher with the strongest mirrored reflection. The Twin Flame Ascension Pathway teaches you how to transcend from the fool and become the star so you can share your light with the world. This Oracle deck is not about fortune telling. It's designed to help unlock your hidden power, discover who you are, elevate your soul's frequency, and become your true self so that you can live your best life. All right. So 55 cards divided into 5 color suits, each having 11 cards, or 1111. Love it. All right. Just want to keep going here. There we go. Some spreads. We have the pyramid column, or sorry, the 1111 spread. Take Me Home, which was the one that we found on the spreadsheet there, and then it goes into the cards. Okay, so let's get into the flip through. It is slightly glossy. I'm not going to call it a high gloss or anything, but you can see the reflection there with the ring light. And they are square cards. How fun is that? Wow. Let's feel the cardstock. Oh, it's nice. Okay, so it's not too thin, not too thick. I'm really liking the quality that I've been seeing lately with the US Game System cardstock. It is really nice. It shuffles really well, so I'm excited to see how this particular deck shuffles. It snaps back, there's flexibility to it, and I think it'll be a very nice time shuffling. It's very pretty. I feel like it's just going to be a process of learning how this deck is structured and then how to use it for your own personal use. It looks like a kaleidoscope, and I'm really digging that. Oof. That's a heavy one, huh? I'm going to try to make sure that we're not seeing any light reflections. So if I wiggle them around, I do apologize if that gets annoying, but I just want to make sure you're seeing exactly what you need to see. All right, so we're in another group here. That's always a hard one to battle out. I mean, this is definitely a deck that you need to sit through, that you need to, in almost a way, like mentally prepare to work with, because it is very confronting, but in a gentle way. I hope that that makes sense. I guess you could call it shadow work as well, because you're trying to, dive deep within healing. I went through this thinking, when I was looking at the packaging, I went through thinking, okay, this is going to be kind of like a love deck. No. I mean, yes and no. It is definitely, you need to learn to love yourself first. And then you can open that door. Love that. Wow. Choose ease and grace. I love that. I feel like us as humans, we like to be aware of, you know, if we are doing all of the work, if we are struggling, then we know we're on the right path. Like, you know, we're always trying to one up each other with how many hours we didn't sleep, or, you know, how many hours we worked during the week. It's like, it doesn't have to always be that hard. It doesn't always have to, you can ask for ease. Easier said than done. Yes, I know. This is very interesting. And our last group here. I'm very much intrigued. I think I want to deep dive with this deck and see the information that comes about, because I'm looking at this more in the vein of healing and, you know, releasing karmic debts, that sort of a thing, more so than I am seeing this as like a love thing, for myself personally. I'm not looking at it, you know, as that sort of a situation, but I think this would be great to see, as far as like how my own personal healing journey has been, or, you know, what else I need to do along the way, or, you know, see what debts I still have to pay off. And the last one here. Awesome. Okay, let's see how it shuffles, and then we will get a card and read from the guidebook. Ooh. It's interesting that it's shaped like a square. It was just a little awkward to start shuffling at first because you're not used to that. But I don't have an issue at all with how it shuffles. And then even side to side like this, not an issue. I really like the cardstock. I think that's fantastic. So yay. All right. We're going to read for the electric creative expression. All right. So we love a table of contents. Okay. The electric creative expression. Your creative forces are being activated by your femininity and are ready for expression. This provides empathy and compassion for yourself and others. When the electric card appears, it's an indication that you are aligning with your inner feminine capacity to embody love, joy, and peace, which enhances your creativity. Letting go of logic helps you to shift into your heart so you can tap into your creative flow. This ignites your primal power, the real and raw parts of who you are. Making a conscious connection with your intuition enhances your ability to trust your journey. Alignment with the magical mysteries of the universe allows creativity to flow with ease and grace. This card suggests that you focus on unlocking your hidden feminine qualities. Tapping into your emotions and following your feelings helps you integrate with deeper parts of yourself. As you open up to receiving love, it welcomes support from others, including your divine counterpart, who will energetically amplify your capability to access your ancient wisdom. Okay, so now that we've seen an example of the guidebook, I do feel, like I said earlier, that I thought this was going to be more of like a love oracle, to kind of figure out how to find your twin flame, or, if you're compatible or anything like that. Because again, I am not the person to ask about twin flame things at all. But I am delightfully pleased at the concept here, because it is talking about ascension, essentially higher vibrational, like raising your vibrations. We're talking about healing. We're talking about shadow work. We're talking about, all of these positive things that have deeper meaning than just like, okay, let's talk about your twin flame. So that's fantastic. I love that it's a whole structure in and of itself. I love that there's fun, really engaging artwork, just beautifully done as far as that's concerned. I like literally had no expectations going in. I love these kinds of reviews because of that. Like I don't have any expectations, so I'm always pleasantly surprised one way or the other. I would now love to throw it over to you guys and to see what your thoughts and opinions are on this deck. Was it what you thought it was going to be? I think there's gentle straightforwardness with this deck. I feel like there's value to it if you are looking at raising your vibration, if you're looking into healing, and if you're looking into maybe even inner child work, that sort of a thing. I feel like there's a lot of ways this can be used besides just, figuring out twin flame stuff. But let me know what you guys think. I want to play around with it. I want to experiment and dive deeper with it. And maybe I'll do an update video to see, what my final thoughts are on the deck. But as far as just out the box, I think it's great. I think there could be a lot of ways that this could be used, and I really do want to try the step process. So like I said, let me know what you think down in the comments section below. As always, I love hearing your guys' thoughts. It's fantastic to see the difference of opinions there. And thank you so much to US Game Systems. I'm still shocked that you even know who I am. So thanks again. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.